Looking at this mobile strategy for trading boom and crash. We'll be using this strategy to do our analysis in today's video. It is going to be very easy for us to do, and you're going to love every bit about it. So this is going to be a mobile strategy for trading boom and crash. So quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the our forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, and do your own personal research about it to know how it works. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all, drop your questions within the comment section. I will always be there for you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we are using this mobile strategy to trade boom and crash. Okay, so you already know the strategy I showed you in my last video. This is it. This is the setup. Okay, on the main chart, I'm having two major indicators on the main chart, and of course in the window indicator, I'm also having two major setup in the window indicator. So you can do the same thing on your chart so that you can make some good amount of profit for yourself right from here. So like I've always been telling you, these are trend trading assets. So the first thing you should do is to identify the trend. So these actually came on downtrend from here. Okay, let me change this to white so that we get to see it very well. Came on downtrend. Sorry, let me change it to another color. Let me change it to yellow. Okay, it came down to this region. Okay, and of course, because it's on downtrend, how do we know? Okay, this actually got to a resistance zone around here. It was unable to break out above it, so we had a downward crossing around here. So this should be our entry point, and of course this should be where we put our stop loss. But before we can follow up with the entry point, we need to confirm with the window indicator, and of course this is around 80, which shows that the market has overbought. And of course we had a downward crossing around here, so which should be our entry point. So you can see it shows that we can sell from here. Okay, so we sold. That is why the market sold from there till this very moment. Okay, it had a little pullback but still came down again. Okay, and it is that it is below 20 at the moment, so it means that we are most likely to start having a buy order at the moment. Okay, so but we need the crossing to happen, the upward crossing to happen, in order for us to start buying. But for now it is still selling. Now let's check out the next asset. That was boom 1000. I'm going to be checking out crash 1000 right away. This is crash 1000. We can see this started a downtrend from this resistance zone because it was unable to break out above it. You can see it's also at 90 around here. We had a downward crossing around here. Okay, so we also had it around here. So this should be our entry point and our stop loss. Okay, so you can see it came down. So let's see the current situation of the market right now. Okay, it has oversold already. You can see it's below 10, and of course got to this support zone also. So we had our crossing around there, so this should be our entry point. If you miss that, you can still enter right now, and of course here should be our stop loss. Okay, so we expect it to buy till 70 and above. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Okay, let's check out boom 500. Okay, so this is boom 500, just where we have seen this. Okay, and this got to the resistance zone, had a down crossing around the entry point, stop loss, and of course is it in confirmation with this? Yes, and of course if you should notice, it is around 80-70, and of course it has been selling since then. So it is still selling even though it is below 20 at the moment. So we just need an upward crossing around there for us to certify that it's going to go on uptrend. But if you should notice, it's supposed to cross this particular line, so it is still far away from it, so we still expect it to sell more. Okay, so now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, had a downward crossing around here. So this should be our entry point then stop loss, but we need to confirm it first. Okay, you can see it shows that it has overbought, and of course we had a downward crossing around there, so it sold. You can see it sold till it got to this, but right now it has gotten to 10, which means that it has oversold, and of course got into this support zone, which should be our stop loss. So right now we should be buying at the moment. Okay, so that should be our entry point for a buy order. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can see how easy it is. Okay, so now let's check out our boom 300. Okay, this is boom 300. From the resistance zone, was able to cross to break out from there, so it started a downtrend from here, and of course it has been selling and it's still selling. Okay, now let's move on to crash 300. Okay, this is crash 300 at the resistance zone around there. We had our crossing around there, which should be our entry point, and it has been selling. So you can see everything is in confirmation with the window indicator, even though it has gotten below 20 and of course got into a support zone, and of course once we have an upward crossing around here, so we should expect more of a buying opportunity. Okay, so you guys should understand all this is how you can use these assets to trade successfully, so you should take note of it and try to do this setup and start making some good amount of money for yourself right from here. If you want to make more money than what this mobile setup will be giving you, or probably you want to make it very easy for you to analyze the markets in a better way, then definitely you can get any of the custom made indicator. Check my Telegram channel for it right away, so that you can take advantage of the market right from there. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.